Welcome to RANsquawk's e-morning briefing for Wednesday, the 10th of February 2010. Focus very much this morning continues to be around the situation on Greece and the potential of a government bailout. We have seen the likes of the FT, Wall Street Journal as well, citing various sources that Germany could be taking the key lead in aiding Greece as well as some other European countries. Obviously Portugal and Spain would be the next in line after that. That in turn then, on that optimism, has led to a quite substantial narrowing in the spreads in the European peripherals, as well as the 5-year credit default swaps in the likes of Greece, Portugal and Spain have dropped considerably, under 300 at around 260 at the low for the credit default swap out of Greece. Bearing in mind we were trading above 400 only a few days back. That in turn then has led to higher equities this morning, seeing some outperformance indeed in those peripheral stock exchanges, the like of the Greek and the Spanish stock exchanges up around 1.5% to 2%, and the FTSE CAC and DAX up around a 0.5% margin at the moment. Financials, they're driving the move higher, having been the key benefit of that potential bailout news. In terms of other things to look at, as we head through the rest of the day, industrial manufacturing production numbers from the UK, they will likely garner most interest, and we'll also have the latest from the Bank of England in their quarterly inflation report, where most analysts are anticipating they will revise up their near-term expectation of inflation, but see it coming back to target in the medium term. Growth expectations are likely to remain largely unchanged there, and King will likely be grilled on the QE programme, which they decide to pause in their most recent policy decision. And then forward-looking, we will have the trade balance in the US, that'll be at 1:30 London time, and then Bernanke's actual transcript is due to be reported at 3 o'clock London, so 9 in Chicago, though he will not speak live due to the adverse weather conditions. That's also affected the Department of Energy's all inventory numbers. They won't be released today, they've also been pushed back to Friday. And just to round off in terms of fixed income, the market will now turn its attention next to the US Treasury auction of 10-year notes, and that will be for $25 billion worth. That'll be at 6 o'clock London, midday Chicago.